good, YouTube? I'm back at it again with another banger for y'all, bro. But it's hot, bro. It's hot. I just got it at work, as you can see. It's burning out here. I mean, it's nothing compared to like Texas, Arizona, and all the other places, but Jesus, we usually don't get heat like this over here in Cali, and it's hot, bro. She got me weak. But we just picked up a goodie for the car, something very beneficial, something that was long overdue for sure. And it is, I'm gonna show y'all right now. I don't know if y'all seen it, but yes, it is the 309 LSD differential. So we copped the differential. It's used, obviously. It's not brand new. Cost me like 500 bucks. Well, he had it for like 700. I got him down to 550. Hopefully everything is good. I checked inside it. There was no like the little teeth thing where they weren't cracked, they weren't bent, they weren't like fucking worn out or whatever, you feel me? But we picked that up, and I'm gonna talk to my tuner about it, see if I need a tune or not. Most likely I will need a tune, so that's another thing. So I don't know, it all plays out. So if y'all want to see the journey of this build, subscribe, hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notifications for y'all to get notified when I post. I don't know, man, follow the journey, because this is gonna be crazy. We almost there. We're full bolt-on cam. We just got the LSD, and I just ordered a Holley high ram as well. It should be coming in a week or two. Hopefully not that long though, but we did order a Holley high ram, and I can't wait for that to get here. I'm gonna probably need another intake, quarter intake. So like I said on the last video, make sure y'all stay tuned, because I might be selling that quarter intake, bruh. I might be selling that quarter intake. It's a leg maker, carbon fiber. So if you want it, hit me up and I'll hit you with a price, and we'll get something negotiated, you know. But yeah, man, I'm gonna talk to y'all once we get home, because it's hot. It's hot. I'm low-key getting a mini headache right now, and those are the worst, bro. So I'll see y'all when we get home, man. All right, y'all. So it got dark out, as you can see. But right now, I'm currently slapping on a tune that I said in the previous video I was gonna do. So right now, I'm slapping on this tune real quick. And I still got the differential in the back. But I'm gonna continue this video tomorrow after work, just because it's got dark already, and I don't like recording the videos in the dark, like when it's night already, because like the camera picks up all pixeled or whatever. I just don't like it. I just don't like it. So I'm gonna continue this video tomorrow. What's good, y'all? It's the next day, bro. I just got it at work. The differential, man. We got a differential. I was tuning the car. We got the tune done. The car's running a little more smoother. I did a 40, but like I cut it off at like probably 60, 70. I didn't go all the way because it was like a main street, so I didn't want to like hit nothing, hit a pedestrian or something. It's dark, so I didn't want to hit nothing. But yeah, we got it tuned. Yeah, like I said, it's running right. Don't mind the dirtiness, bro. So yes, I know it's dirty, as you can tell. I need to get it clean. Dang, you still can see the sparkle though. What you talking about? Metallic right there, boy. Scared the fuck out of me, ugly ass motherfucking doo-doo. Nah, alright, but this is the differential, y'all. We picked it up. When was it? Monday. We picked it up Monday. Yesterday, literally. Supposedly it came off a Hellcat. I don't know. I don't care. Everything's cool. I checked it before buying it. I had to check everything, bro, because I did not want a messed up differential, you know. I'm pretty sure no one does. But yeah, you gave me these. I don't think I'm gonna need these because my car comes with them. So you gave me those. And I'm gonna try to refill it with the differential fluid, because I don't know if the differential has some or not. So I'm gonna open it up, empty it out, put some new differential fluid in it, and slap this bitch on. You see inside. I'm trying to show y'all inside too. You see inside, I don't think nothing's broken. Well, that I see, nothing's broken. I put my finger in there to see if the teeth were like worn out or broken or like loose or cracked or something, but ain't nothing wrong with it. I have to check perfect. I have to check like good, because this is finna go on this car and I don't want the shit breaking in the middle of a pool or something, you know? So, yeah. It stinks too. I had it in the car for like 2 days, bro. Or like a day, and it just stunk up the car. So I had to take it out. But yeah, man, we finally got the 309 LSD differential. I can't wait to slap this shit on. So just in case y'all didn't know what these are used for or why they are beneficial to the RTs, these, it helps you spin both tires at the same time. Cause on the RTs, they come with like a 2 point something. I'm not sure. I'm not entirely sure. I'll have to search it up to see. I don't want to give the wrong number. But they come with a 2 point something, and it only spins one wheel. Like, it's not putting down the horsepower on both wheels. It'll just be putting horsepower down on one wheel. So one wheel is gonna be like doing most of the work. You feel me? So with this bad boy here, we're gonna slap this on and have both wheels turning at the same time, bro. Come on, bro. But yeah, we have both wheels turning at the same time. And you know, nah, I'm just playing. We don't whip out here. We just, you know. Now to slap this on, I seen Boosted Lucky do it. Boosted Lucky. And he took off all, well, to start off, you gotta take these two off right here. Boom and boom right there. So you take those two off right there, and then you move on to these bad boys right here. Now you're gonna have two on both sides, boom and boom. You take these two off, and there's 8 of these right here where the drive shaft goes connected to. So there's 8 of these. You will have to take out all 8 of them and just bring it down slowly. You'll probably have to wiggle it out a little because the axles go here on both sides, you can see. So you'll have to wiggle it out, drop it, and put the other one back in and just do the reverse process. But it sounds easy, but I know it's gonna take me a whole day, probably too. Knowing me, knowing my luck, we gonna try to get it done ourselves. I don't want to pay no more labor, but I'm gonna try not to pay no more labor. But if I can't do it myself, I'm gonna just have to pay, bro. I'm gonna just have to pay for somebody to do it. But yeah, man, I'll make a whole, if I do end up doing it myself, I'll make a whole video on me putting it on. I'll make a whole video of me putting on the differential myself. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. It's coming along, bro. It's coming along slowly but surely. I did order. I haven't told y'all, but I did order. Well, I don't know if I told y'all already, but we ordered. This one's gonna go bye-bye. We ordered a Holley High Ram, broskis. Holley High Ram. So this is gonna go bye-bye. And there's gonna be a giant manifold right here, like from there to here, boy. So we're gonna take this one off. Good thing I didn't port it, because I was gonna port it, but I was like, for what if I'm gonna get the Holley High Ram? So I'm gonna just take this one off. I'm gonna probably have to get another cold air intake. That's why I told you on the last video, that's why I'm gonna sell it, or I'm gonna do a giveaway, or I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get rid of this. That's gonna change to a Holley High Ram. Let me know. Look, carbon fiber. I know it's dirty right now, but it's carbon fiber with this plate right here that says Lane Maker, dead hammies. Then you got your little screws or whatever tied in. It's high quality right there. It's high quality. Just the only thing is that you will have to remove, you see that clip right there? This wire was attached to it. I had to rip that one off, and then like another one down there somewhere, just for this to reach, because it wouldn't reach when it was attached like that. So That's probably the only thing. Oh, actually, the PCV hose on some, I don't know if you noticed, but on your stock cold air intake, it runs the PCV hose right here to here where this little thing is at. So from here, like somewhere right here, it has a hole. That's called a PCV hose. The leg maker does not have that, so you will have to remove the PCV hose and either add one of these or add, I don't know, like something there, because you can't just leave it open like that, you know. But yeah, it's probably the only two things that's like, you know, could be iffy. I don't know, if you're like very picky, I guess, then don't hit me up, you know. But if you don't really care about it, hit me up and I'll, you know, shoot you a price. And then these fuel rails, I'm gonna change them out too. They come with fuel rails, so those fuel rails are going bye-bye. Am I selling those? No. Am I selling the manifold? Nope. Probably, I don't know yet, but as of right now, no, because if I don't end up staying with the Harley High Ram, I'm gonna need something to put back on, and if I don't have nothing, I'm gonna have to buy another 5.7 manifold, and I don't want to be doing that. So yeah, I'm just keep it for now. This, I'm not sure, this will probably have to go. It's not gonna fit on the Harley High Ram. The Harley High Ram is pretty tall. But yeah, man, that's coming for the car in probably like 2 or 3 weeks. That's what we got going on right now, bro. Manifold, differential, that's all going into the cammed RT. Make sure y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna try to get these things on the car as soon as possible. It might be a little tough, but we're gonna try to get it on there. I might have to end the video here because my phone's running out of storage. I'm currently using someone else's phone, but yeah, my phone is running out of storage. Sadly, I need a camera already, but make sure y'all subscribe, like, turn on the post notifications, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.